it's a day in the bay, boys. Day in the bay. Wow, lovely sunny day. I'll be working with Clio. Got the garden in massive. Got roses for days and that. But today we're spicing it up. Just in case nobody already know. Oh, mob number one. Red. Whew. Starting it off, black and red is what we're going for, obviously. If you've seen my videos before, we've got the brand new JMRS induction kit in red, all the clip-ins and the ram air that comes with. Super excited to fit this today. It's going to start the process of my engine bay, which is finally hopefully going to start looking a little bit better. When I save up a little bit more money, I'm going to go and see MS Custom Engineering, and he's going to obviously spray it, paint it, make it all look super sexy for me. And then that is the engine bay done. I've never really been too bothered about the engine bay because it has been hidden, and as you guys know, if you watch my channel, it's horrendous, so like the bonnet always stays down, but we're going to change that hopefully a little bit. There we go. Now I'll talk about an industrial strength zip tie. Yeah. Cool, so the JMRS kit obviously does the whole shebang. So this does need to come off now. Obviously I've had the fatty on before, which is this. Which was obviously, I kept the standard first bit of the pipe and just attached the 90 elbow and the K&N air filter onto the end. So all of this needs to come off, and the JMRS kit replaces it. So you've got to pull the tube out from the own first, which is going to be nice and dirty. And will we get all earth in one go? Yeah. Goodbye, thank you for your service. Oh, well, I've had this on it now. Maybe a year, maybe 2 years. But it's going quite well. As you can see, it's slightly dirty. Might need a bit of a clean and a blow through, but I might be able to sell it on. But we're going from that, as you've just seen before, to woohoo, hot boy. And that's hopefully the start of the red and black engine bay. So I'm just going to run over some of the things to do with the JMRS kit. It's been massively rated already. James did all the testing for it before it went out on sale, just to make sure it was all running good. It wasn't going to get any splits or anything like that. But for just the silicone piping, it is £85 for everything. So that means including the ram air filter, which is made for this, and he's teamed up with ram air. That's my little woohoo, my little tag. Altogether it's 112, I believe, posted. That's all posted. There's a range of colours. If you haven't seen already, go onto the JMRS Facebook page, and you'll be able to see it all there. So I've been told this is a massively snug fit, which is obviously a good thing, unlike my other one, which was super duper loose. But I don't know whether we have to put the cone on first and then stick it in, or whether you have to thread this through here first of all. But I might have to loosen my battery cable and spin that around a little bit, but we'll see. I'm going to fiddle with that in a minute. Cool, so I've just moved the battery cable round. After moving that, I can now get this absolute monster in to the gap. Hopefully. Like that. Base, so it fills up the whole hole, obviously, compared to my little K&N tapered one. What the ram air showing. Now coming to the tube, obviously this piping is run around the back again and connecting to wherever it came from. 3 Jubilee clips, 1 tiny one, 2 bigger ones. Little ones for this end. This end here is nice and tight, so you won't need it there. But this end is a little bit more loose, so you need one on that end. 2 big ones. Make sure they're beauty and secure. And for the top. And the bottom. Like so. And hopefully, all being well and good. Apparently this is super snug and super tight as well, but once again, that's decent because you know it's not going to fall off. Oh, we're nearly there. Is that in? A little bit of a fight. do have to loosen these jubilees off quite a bit. Not too much as they come out. So the nice thing is it pretty much all holds itself in there. You don't need any clips or any supports or anything like that. So. Oh, one thing I do want now is a headlight vent. Just gonna make sure that's in. That's alright. You can do whatever you like. Oh, it doesn't feel so even on the bottom, mind. That's bad. And that's that. 15 minutes later. And that is engine bay mod number 1. This is something that everybody should get, I would say, straight away when you're getting a Clio 182. Wow, enjoy it first, and then if you want a little bit more noise from the front, definitely be getting an induction kit. Like I said, you can get a fatty one like I had originally. It cost you about £40–45. It does look a little bit more jippo, I'm not gonna lie, but that's obviously you get what you pay for. 85 or 112 for everything. So all good, so we're done. Like I said, it's really in there. All the joints are nice and tough, and you've got Jubilee clips to support, and there's barely any movement anywhere. I don't know if I will put any form of zip tie or sort of mounting point for it to hold on to, but it seems pretty sturdy, not like it's going to go anywhere. The only thing I had to do was move my battery cable around a little bit, but yes, the first step of many, hopefully, but everyone needs one of these. This is very similar obviously to the KTEX version, but it's a lot cheaper, so obviously I recommend this one, but it's all personal preference. JMRS James does loads of different colours. Pretty much you can have whatever colour you want really now. So they're flying out, so if you do want one you need to get them to them quick because there might be a bit of a wait. That's the JMRS Induction kit all fitted to the car. Yes, it is now time for testing. I'm going to do a few shots of it now just in the car. Obviously the rest of my engine bay is not the best, it does need a bit of clean, but like I said, when I get it all done at MS Custom Engineering, hopefully it's going to look beautiful and then I can keep it up together and maintain it a little bit more. But yeah, it made me happy. We've started, the first purchase has been made. But yeah, we're going to do some testing now on a bit of drive and see if it sounds any different to my other one. Goodbye my child, you can go with all the other roll up Clio parts. Okay, so we're going to go on a first drive. To record the sound, I'm going to try and use my GoPro 4 again because I still have not got an external mic, so I've just wrapped it around there with a mount. Hopefully I get good sound. I've had a little bit of trouble with the little micro USB in that one, so if it doesn't get any sound, I'm going to have to film it again with this camera, but I want to film inside the car as well to see if it does sound any different for me. Here we go then, we're out for a little drive. You see what she sounds like there? See you in a minute. Just put my camera underneath the bonnet. I've got the GoPro Hero 5 in here. The car's all running. I've just pulled up. Just pulled over, but it's on. And let's see what it sounds like. I get a little beep so I know on the other camera when and I can match up the times easier then. So don't judge me for my beep. But let's do some sound testing. I've only just driven around the corner. I only just drove around the corner, so I'm really giving it in comparison to the other induction kit. I love the induction kit anyway. If you have an induction kit on your car, car again, another day, another track car. Full cage. It's a full cage, James. How do you talk about a track car? Jesus Christ. Cool. Decent.